Hey guys, Bet on Silver here. I'm going to do an unboxing of 100 ounces of silver shot that I got off of eBay from Aiden's Coins. So let's check it out. So I got the box, postage on the other side, upside down. Got my handy dandy Bet on Silver laser engraved, handmade, which I didn't do. I guess the knives are always handmade. Forged knife that a buddy gave me as a gift, and also I have a magnet because we want to make sure that every little grain is silver, right? So let's get started. So, like the packaging already, because it's a box within a box, and even though it's a hassle to open, I appreciate that. Okay. Oof. This is heavy. Seal broken. Check contents before accepting. Okay. So, no way anyone got into this, right? I mean, it was UPS box, wrapped, another box, taped. Got the invoice. Ooh, here we go. 100 ounces. Aiden's Coins. Buying or selling, call us first. There you go. That's a lot.